Hello everyone, welcome back to D's Kitchen. Today's special recipe is coconut and mango panna cotta, which is also gluten and dairy free. Let's get started. For this panna cotta, we need only 5 ingredients, which are a whole ripe mango, 200 grams of custard sugar, 5 gelatin leaves, which you can find in most of the supermarkets, 2 cans of coconut milk, and vanilla pods. If you can't find the vanilla pods, you can always use the vanilla flavoring or vanilla extract. To start with, take 2 tins of coconut milk, open it and pour into the pan. Followed by 200 grams of custard sugar. Give a good whisk. Then our main ingredients, which is the vanilla pods. Okay, let the coconut milk boil. Meantime, we'll take the mango and we need to cut this mango. What we need to do is make a fine puree. So for that, right, our mango puree is ready. So see, the mango puree is a fine puree. Add this mango puree into the coconut milk. Give a good whisk. Okay, now the mix is ready. So I'm going to turn the fire off. Add the gelatin leaves one by one and give a good whisk. And it will melt into that mixture. Strain into a bowl. So now that it's all mixed well. So what we need to do next is pour into the glass. Yeah, it smells lovely. It's very sweet. You can smell the coconut and mango flavor. So it's all ready. Now you need to leave in the room temperature for 1 hour. When it's cooled down, we need to set in the fridge for another 2 hours. So after 2 hours, this panna cotta is ready to eat. Now it's been in the fridge for 2 hours, past 2 hours. So I add some mango on top and little bit mint leaves and some almond flakes if you have. Yeah, looks nice. Beautiful.
Action.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. Today's special recipe is coconut and mango panna cotta. Coconut and mango panna cotta is always...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen.